Hey everyone, this is Leo Lauretti from Abstract Music Lab, and today I'm recreating a bass called Stab Believe, and you can already see the MIDI over here just so you can listen in solo without any effects. Now in context with effects. Really amazing stab that you can find over here in the description below in the new pack called Melodic Techno Mystique that you can find on PML's website. But now let's get started with this tutorial and let's get started with the sound design. We're going to start by selecting a saw rounded shape, and you can find it in the analog section. And now we're going to pick this octave, put it a bit down. Unison as it is, wet position a bit up. So you can see how it creates a more sawy kind of feeling. The level is going to go a little bit down. And that's pretty much it. Now we're going to go into Oscillator B, and in Oscillator B, we're going to select a vowel E. We're going to leave it as it is. The wet position is going to go a lot up, somewhere like this. But the level of this one is going to go all the way down because essentially we're going to use this as an FM from B. And there you have the sound. Now we're also going to select noise, and we're going to select a J106. And we're going to pick the noise and put it somewhere like here. We barely listen to it because we're going to use envelope 2 and modulate a lot of it. As you can see, pretty much as it is. But we're going to have to make this into a pluck. So sustain all the way down. Decay really short, somewhere like this. And we're going to pick this handle, leave it somewhere at the bottom of M2. And the attack as it is, release a little bit higher as well. Now, envelope 1, we're going to pretty much leave it as it is. The sustain is going to remain as it is. The decay is going to remain as it is. But the handle over here, the release, is going to go a little bit higher. Somewhere like this. And this handle, again, at the bottom of M2, somewhere like this. You can see this line. Now, that's pretty much how it needs to be. We're going to go and select a filter. In the filter, MG Low 24, we're going to select AB Noise. We barely listen to anything. Cut off a little bit down somewhere like this. We barely listen to anything, but envelope 2 for the rescue, we're going to go and select it over here somewhere like this. You can see how much the noise affects the sound. We're going to pick up the drive and put it a bit up. This saturates a little bit. And fat also a little bit up. Now we're going to go into the effects section. We're going to start by selecting a hyper dimension. We're going to pretty much not do anything to the dimension. We're just going to pick the hyper, detune this a little bit. You can see how this is being detuned. And now we're going to select distortion. We're going to start by using a stomp box. The wet a bit down, somewhere like this, and the drive a lot down. But we're going to go into envelope 2 and select this somewhere like this. Now compressor to compress pretty much everything. Threshold is going to go somewhere like this. Ratio as it is, a bit more attack because we don't want to compress the attack. Release as it is, gain a bit up. And that's it. Now we're going to go into a chorus. And in the chorus, we're going to pick the rate, put it all the way down. Wet a bit down. But you can see the effect that it creates. Kind of creates a new harmonic into the sound. Now, in addition to that, we're going to select an EQ. We're going to select a bell curve over here and a high shelf. The bell is going to go a little bit down over here. And we're going to put it a bit up over here, actually. But the frequency is going to go somewhere like this. Now, the second frequency is going to go somewhere like this, a little bit like that. Yep. Boom. A bit more, actually. But we're going to boost this a bit more. with the Q a bit higher, lower. So just giving a bit more edge into the sound. Now delay, we're gonna remain, the feedback is going to go a little bit higher, 132 and 116 over here, but in the 16 we're gonna have to select this and go a little bit higher than the trip, just a pretty much a little bit, yeah, kind of like the trip, somewhere like this, pretty much almost like the trip. Now in the frequency we're gonna go a little bit higher, but the Q is going to go a lot down. Ping pong, and way less. Now reverb size just a tiny bit up, decay a bit down, low cut a bit up so we don't have low end in it, a bit less high cut, and a bit more actually spin depth, but the mix a bit down. If you want to listen to it in context, and if you want to change the sound, you can go here in the FM. So you can tweak the sound as you wish over there as well. If you like this preset, you can get it over here in the description below. This is Leo Lauretti from Abstract Music Lab signing off. Ciao.
Hi, this video is sponsored by us. If you like these tutorials and want to support the channel, please check out our website packed with online courses and professional sample packs. Also check our ready-to-use and club-tested Serum presets. You can browse by the genre and style you're looking for, or get the incredible deal with the full Serum preset bundle. Thank you for listening, and now let's get back to your tutorial.